Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there? Or stared at someone's face thinking, I know this person, what is their name? And in that tiny, awkward pause, you start telling yourself a story. My memory is terrible. I'm just bad at remembering things. But what if I told you your memory isn't broken, it's selective? And more importantly, it's trainable, right now. Most people think memory is like a storage box. You either have space or you don't. But psychology tells a very different story. Your brain isn't a box, it's more like a spotlight. It remembers what feels meaningful, emotional, or useful. Everything else, it quietly lets go. Think about this. You can probably remember lyrics to a song you haven't heard in 10 years. Maybe something by Taylor Swift or Billie Eilish, word for word. But you can't remember what you ate 3 days ago? Why? Because emotion glues memories together. Repetition strengthens them, and attention locks them in. Neuroscientists have found that when you attach emotion or meaning to information, your hippocampus, the brain's memory center, lights up more intensely. It's like your brain saying, "Ooh, this matters. Keep this." So if you want to improve your memory right now, don't just repeat information. Feel it, connect it, visualize it. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you're trying to remember someone's name, let's say Rose. Instead of mechanically repeating Rose, 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 picture a giant red rose sitting on their head. Dramatic, silly, almost ridiculous, but your brain loves ridiculous. It loves images. Suddenly, the name sticks. Memory isn't about effort, it's about engagement. There's also something called the generation effect. Studies show you remember things better when you actively create the information rather than passively consume it. That's why rephrasing what you read in your own words works so well. It's the difference between watching someone else exercise and actually doing push-ups yourself. Your brain needs reps. And here's something gentle but powerful. Stress is a memory killer. When you're anxious, your brain shifts into survival mode. It stops prioritizing storage and starts prioritizing threat detection. So sometimes it's not that you're forgetful, you're overwhelmed. Be kind to yourself about that. The truth is, your memory reflects your attention, your emotion, and your mental state. It's not a fixed trait, it's a skill shaped by how you use it. So the next time you forget something, don't label yourself as bad at remembering. Instead, ask, did I engage with it? Did I care? Did I slow down enough to let it land? Your brain is incredibly adaptable. It's been evolving since long before the time of Aristotle, who once believed memory was tied to the heart. Today, we know it's neural networks constantly rewiring themselves based on your experience. And that means you're not stuck. Start noticing what you pay attention to. Start adding color, emotion, absurdity. Make your brain smile a little. You'll be surprised how quickly things begin to stick. If this made you see your forgetfulness differently, tell me in the comments, what's one thing you always remember effortlessly? And if you're curious about how your brain really works, stay with me. There's so much more to explore.